I was running low on some of my baking basics and it was time to do a little reboot there for the pantry. So I ended up going to Walmart and I was astonished at the prices. I just bought 3 things, but I was just amazed at what great prices they have, way better than the supermarket and actually way better than what I've seen even at Thanksgiving. So let's check it out. I got this 2-pound bag of light brown sugar. I use it in certain baking items that I make, and that was for 2 pounds. It was, let's see, $1.62. I usually get flour in 5-pound increments, but I thought, you know, I'm just gonna go for it and get a 10-pound bag. My pantry container holds about 5 pounds, and then the rest I keep in the freezer. I keep all my flours in the freezer if they're not going to be used immediately, and when I do put them in containers, I put several bay leaves in there just to keep little nasty critters out. They do exist in all of our foodstuffs, but there are ways to really mitigate that. So for this 10-pound bag of flour, I paid $3, unheard of. A lot of cookies and all sorts of good things are going to come out of these in the next few months. And finally, white sugar. For some reason, small packages of white sugar come in 4-pound increments, but the larger one comes in 10 pounds. So I thought I would go ahead and, like I did with the flour, just get more than I usually get. So I got this 10 pounds of white sugar, and that cost me $5.34. Again, a really, really excellent price. I know it's time intensive and labor intensive to keep track of stores and to keep track of prices, but there are certain basic staples it's always worthwhile to shop around for, and these are one of them. I bake a lot. I make a lot of my own breads, my own crusts, my cookies, all sorts of stuff. So it's worth it for me, number one, to have bulk items like this. It, again, eliminates the need for me to go more often, because instead of 5 pounds of flour, I have now 10, and instead of 4 pounds of sugar, I now have 10 also. Whether or not we are in inflationary times, or whether or not your income is high, your income is low, whatever is going on in your life and in your world, if you watch your prices and are careful about what you buy and how much you buy, and that you buy things you're actually going to use, you will always be ahead of the game when it comes to your food budget. Thank you so much for watching.